Hello, I'm Mridul and I'll be talking about the topic reviving India's manufacturing sector. Manufacturing sector is the backbone of any strong economy. It creates jobs, builds industries, and it also drives the growth. But here in India, something is not quite right. And manufacturing, we should be providing millions of stable, good paying jobs. It has been slowing down. The jobs in this sector are quite disappearing, and despite our efforts like making India, we still haven't fully unlocked its potential, and that's a big deal. For a country that is quite young and ambitious as India, we can afford to let the manufacturing sector decline. So, what is the kind of problem? One big reason is automation. Machines and robots are taking over the tasks that people used to do, especially in smaller industries. And while the technology is great, it's leaving behind workers who don't have the skill to adapt. Another challenge is the competition. Countries like China are way ahead of us. They offer cheaper manufacturing costs and better infrastructure, which makes it harder for Indian businesses to keep up. And there's more. Small and medium sized enterprises, which are the heart of Indian manufacturing, it faces hurdles. Like many businesses can grow because they don't have the resources to support their need. On top of that, our workforce is often not trained in the skills modern industries demand. It's a mismatch. Jobs are there, but the skills don't line up. Here's the good news, we can turn it around. Manufacturing doesn't have to decline, it can thrive. But we need to take actions, and it starts with investing in the people. So imagine if we had a skill building program all across the country, helping workers learn how to use advanced technologies and adapt to modern manufacturing jobs. That alone would open up so many opportunities, especially for young people in the rural areas who are looking for a stable kind of work. Now, there's also the need to support the small businesses. There are companies that are keeping our economy running, but they also need our help. It's easier to access loan, modern equipment, and special zones where they can operate without so many barriers could make a huge difference. We could also focus on creating manufacturing hubs. As small and medium businesses come together, share resources, and innovate together. And of course, infrastructure is the main key. If we want India to be a global manufacturing leader, we need to provide better roads, reliable electricity, and smoother processes. Now, there's one more thing that we can ignore, that is technology. Yes, the automation has created lots of job losses, but it is also the future. If we also invest in the and research in it, we can create a system where the technology and the people are working together rather than replacing each other. By focusing on emerging areas like AI, robotics, and smart manufacturing, we can create new kinds of jobs that didn't even existed before. Now, reviving manufacturing, it isn't about just creating the jobs. It's about giving every worker, every entrepreneur, and every small businesses the tools to succeed. Thriving manufacturing sector means a stronger and more self-reliant India. The time is now, and let's make it happen.